Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine and you will enjoy this video. Here I am going to solve a worksheet about syntax. In simple words I can say subject verb agreement. First you should know what is the meaning of subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement means you have given helping verbs here. So you will use the correct helping verb according to the subject, according to the tense. So let's start with the first sentence. Here the first sentence is my father space a teacher. Two options are here, is oblique are. As you can see here, my father is a subject and it's a singular subject. So according to singular subject, is the correct answer. In second sentence, my father and his friend going to the market. Again we have two options, is and are, but like first sentence we don't have a single subject. We have my father and his teacher. This is our subject and it's a plural subject, so are is the correct answer in second sentence. In third sentence, I space many story books, and options are have oblique has. I is our subject here, and as we know that I is count as plural subject, and with I we use have. So the correct answer is have. Now next, the fourth sentence, he done his homework before time. Two options are here, has oblique have, but as we know that he is the singular subject, and with the singular subject we use has. This sentence belongs to present perfect sentence, and according to singular subject we would fill here has. In next sentence, Mr. Singh space taught us this topic. Mr. Singh is a singular subject, and according to singular subject we would fill here has. So the correct sentence is Mr. Singh has taught us this topic. In next sentence, PM Narendra Modi along with his friend arrived here. In this sentence, as you can see, PM Narendra Modi along with his friends. You are thinking that it's a plural subject, but no, it's not a plural subject. It's a singular subject. Whenever we have along with and this type of words, in that case we concentrate here before this word along with. Here we have PM Narendra Modi and it's a singular, so we would fill here has. In the next sentence, sentence number 7, the principal and teacher. The subject is principal and teacher coming towards exam department. Again, you are thinking that the principal and teacher means two persons are here. But the principal and teacher does not mean two persons are here. This subject belong to singular because here is only one person who is principal and also a teacher. So, according to this rule, is the correct answer. The principal and teacher is coming towards exam department. In next sentence, sentence number 8, we space going to Shimla for vacation. Here we have two options, are oblique is, but our subject is plural. So according to plural subject, we would fill here are. We are going to Shimla for vacations. The next sentence, subject they space finished their work yesterday. This sentence belongs to perfect tense. Which perfect tense? Look here. We find here yesterday. Yesterday means a day which had passed. So this sentence belongs to past perfect tense. And here there is a plural subject, so we would fill here had. They had finished their work yesterday. Had belonged to past perfect tense. Now the next sentence, tenth sentence is I space going to appear in exam. We know very well that with I we use am. Okay, thank you students.